Alright, I gotta go do laundry. So, I'm in El Centro. I've got to find a laundromat. I'm gonna look online and see what some of the reviews are. It's been over a decade since I've been to a laundromat. I don't really know what to expect. The good thing is, I can do all my laundry. I got a couple loads of laundry that I can do. Or I can do one big load. I don't know. But I want to get this taken care of, so I figured I'd just put it in a vlog somewhere. This is my first time using the laundromat as a nomad. We'll see what happens. There's only a few options, and it should be okay because it's the middle of the day. So we're gonna head on over, and this is what I found. Looks like it has good reviews. I don't know, I didn't really go too far into it. I just looked at some of the pictures and stuff. So we're gonna head on over there and get some laundry done. I guess it's a good thing I parked at CVS because I'm gonna go get some dryer sheets and some laundry detergent. It's gonna be a big fat no for this laundromat. Boy, it's packed, and there's kids running around there. Does nobody go to school or work anymore? Gotta find somewhere else. Well, I'm just gonna have to wait till tomorrow. I'm gonna go find somewhere to get some food. Maybe. I'm gonna just head to my camp spot maybe tonight. Yeah.
Saturday night at the arcade, silver coins in my hand, ready to make some
Oh, I'm gonna organize. I'm gonna put a rooftop bag up there, and I think I'm gonna put my kitchen stuff and my chair and a bunch of stuff up there that I don't use regularly. I do use my kitchen stuff, but I don't use it every day, and I just think it's time to get organized so I can have more of a living quarters inside the Trailblazer. Right now it's a mess. I took my bedding out and it's airing out in the sun because I leaked some water, but I've got it looks like this right now. I put the cooler in. I was supposed to go to Walmart, but I had a really big lunch and I didn't feel like it. So now we're gonna just clean and organize. I need to get this rooftop bag up here, and we're gonna install that together. So let's get started. So the rooftop bag is in here. I got it from my Amazon wish list. My friend Jocelyn bought it for me for my birthday, so thank you, Jocelyn. I will leave this one linked, and over time I'll let you know how it does. It's supposed to be waterproof. Not sure how that's gonna go. That's why I'm gonna put my chair and all that stuff up there. Something that I don't care if it gets wet. So alright, let's get started. Alright, so I've got everything on the ground right there. I'll show you what was inside. The actual bag. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be, but alright. And here's the instructions. Does anybody read these? I don't, but maybe I'll try. Oh look, it comes with picture instructions. And this goes underneath. So, let's get going. You can blame the kayak for that. This is the roof. I'm going to put this down. And then it says, just place the bag on top. Alright, we've got the mat up here. I'll probably straighten it out a little bit. Alright, we got to figure out which way is up and which way is down. Alright, it's the right way. I got the bag on top. I got my supervisor down here, making sure I'm doing it right. If you didn't have the roof rack, you take your weather stripping out and you put these little hooks in there. But I have a roof rack, so I think it'll work this way. So I went to Walmart and I got some totes for the bag that I'm gonna put some stuff in, and I also got another drawer set to put on the back side of the drawer that's in there, right to there. So I took the big bottles of shampoo and conditioner and I put it in to little containers and put them in here so it's easier to manage, and then when I need to refill, I'll just refill with those. I buy my shampoo and conditioner at Costco. It's cheaper, so. Lots of stuff in this bag, and I have so much more room. Alright, so it's several days later. I could crawl back in the back and go to sleep whenever I want. It's so awesome. I'm sitting here outside of the mall in Victorville, and I was gonna go into Barnes & Noble and edit, but I went in and scoped the place out, and there's nowhere to plug in my laptop. That would be the only reason why I would want to go in there. So, I gotta figure out the power situation here soon. Can't be living like this. I don't like editing on my phone. It's convenient, but I prefer like a big surface. I like being organized, like having my planner out and all this stuff. So, I'm gonna figure out the power situation soon, but we've got Bruce. I'm gonna talk about what I've learned over the past several weeks, almost going on a month. I've learned that I don't really need so much stuff, and I need to be more conscientious about what I buy at the store, fill my cooler up with, maybe take into account that I'm not going to eat everything or cook meals every single time, especially now that it's a little bit harder to get to my stove. I have my pocket stove, and I could use my pocket stove and my little pots and pans set from that if I wanted to. But what I'll probably do is cook a couple days worth of food on my regular stove and then put it in my cooler and then use my pocket stove to just heat food up. So kind of like a meal prep on the road. Maybe I'll do a meal prep on the road video. Sounds pretty good. So that is my story. I'm actually really enjoying life on the road. I don't have to be in a place if I don't want to. I can move on. I'm here visiting somebody, and I can just get up and go wherever I want. This is my home and my office. Brucey. But we're doing good. We are doing good. I'm going to make a video soon of a breakdown of how much it costs me to live on the road for 1 month. So stay tuned for that. And also, I've got a Backroads of Death Valley video coming out on Wednesday. I did Titus Canyon, so make sure you stay subscribed because I'm not going to quit my original content. I'm going to keep it going. I've just been adjusting, and we've got King of the Hammers coming up, which I'll be at. If you're going, let me know. And I also want to thank all my Patreon supporters, my PayPal donation people, just for donating. And I want to thank you for continuing to watch my videos because it's helping me stay on the road and stay somewhat comfortable. So I really appreciate you. I've got a new address, and my Amazon wish list is up too. So I really appreciate everybody, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.